Hello everyone, welcome to Instant Data Services. In today's video, we are going to show you how our mortgage form filling AutoTyper software simplifies the mortgage data entry process by automatically filling forms with high speed and accuracy. Now, let's see how the complete process works. First, open the image files provided by the company. These images contain the data that needs to be entered into the mortgage application forms. The images are to be converted into Excel files. These are the Excel files converted from images because the AutoTyper will take only Excel formats. Next, open the AutoTyper software. This is how the software interfaces. Open the mortgage form and place it beside the AutoTyper software for easy access during the process. Now, select the pattern file. Upload the converted Excel file. Click the Begin button. Before the countdown ends, place the cursor in the first field of the mortgage form. Once the countdown finishes, the software will automatically enter all the data into the form without any manual typing or interruption. That is how the mortgage form filling AutoTyper software works. With Instant Data Services, you can automate repetitive mortgage data entry tasks quickly, accurately, and efficiently. The software helps improve productivity, reduces manual effort, minimizes typing errors, and saves valuable time.